plan is to get the inside a little bit cleaner than what it is. There's a little bit of like dirt in the back just to get it cleaned up and feeling new on a Sunday. And this is actually a new Hoover we recently got, maybe 2-3 weeks ago. I've used it once before for the car. It's actually really decent, good suction, and it's got a bag in it as well. My previous Dyson was bagless. So let's see how we get on. A little bit cleaner now. Also seem to have gathered a wasp friend in here, which is amazing. So here we have the Lexus IS engine bay. As you can see, a little bit dusty. Hasn't been cleaned probably for 6-7 months. Just very sandy and just dirty. But let's see how we can get on cleaning this up. Prepare to be amazed. And what do we think after a quick rub down? The centre bit looks definitely a bit cleaner than some of the sands off here. A little bit trickier to get, I don't want to touch all that, but maybe a Hoover next time. Goal is today, before there was any more sunshine, is to get the cars clean on the outside.